Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to explain Coinbase withdrawal limits. First, open your Coinbase exchange account and sign in securely so you can access your wallet, balances, and withdrawal options without any restriction. Make sure you are using the correct account where your funds are stored. Now, from the home dashboard, click on the Send option. This section is used to transfer crypto to external wallets or other users. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw from your asset list. Double-check the coin type because sending to the wrong network can cause delays or loss of funds. After that, choose the recipient details. You can enter a phone number, email address, or paste an external wallet address, depending on where you want to send your crypto. Then click Continue to proceed. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. You can type it in crypto units or convert it into your local currency to better understand the value. Once entered, click Preview so you can review everything before sending. Next, a confirmation screen will appear showing full transaction details like network type, estimated fees, and delivery time. Carefully check each detail because blockchain transactions cannot be reversed once completed. Then click Continue. At this stage, Coinbase may ask for extra security verification, such as two-factor authentication or email confirmation, to protect your account from unauthorized activity. Complete the verification step if prompted. After confirmation, your withdrawal will be processed, and you will see it marked as pending or in progress until it is successfully completed on the blockchain. Before sending, always recheck the wallet address character by character because even a small mistake can lead to permanent loss of funds. Also, remember that network fees change based on blockchain traffic, so final charges may vary. If you want to withdraw fiat currency instead of crypto, first go to My Assets and select the crypto you want to convert. Then tap Sell, enter the amount you want to convert into cash, and confirm the order. This will change your crypto into fiat currency. Now return to My Assets, select your local currency balance, and tap Cash Out. Enter the withdrawal amount, select your bank account or payment method, and click Preview Cash Out to review everything. Finally, confirm the withdrawal. Coinbase will process the request and send you a notification once the funds are successfully transferred to your bank account. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.